Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here for NTMarkets.com with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart of the ES. I won't keep you too long. Essentially, here's what's happening. We are marching to the upper band. I talked about an 1895 target on Twitter, I think 2 days ago. That's still valid. Yesterday was a very difficult day to trade, and in retrospect, if you weren't trading the market yesterday, and you came home from work later in the day and you looked at the chart, you're like, oh, wow, up day. But the reality of yesterday was we did a lot of chopping. And we popped on Facebook, and we popped on Apple late in the day. Now it's holding that gap, so we're going to gap up. It'll be very interesting to see if that gap gets filled. If that gap does get filled, it becomes an interesting dip buy opportunity in the morning. I was looking for 65 to 67 to get tested yesterday. We did 67.5. I wanted a little bit more. Maybe we don't get a little bit more. We don't always get what we want in the market. And what I'm seeing now is a very steady march to the upper band. And in order to really interact with that upper band, it's going to have to trade probably upwards of 1898 and maybe even hit round number 1900 before it would retreat on an upper band touch. During the course of this uptrend, I said this yesterday, I'll say it again today. During the course of this uptrend, it is incredibly rare that you see any kind of a meaningful reversal before engaging the upper Bollinger Band. It's very rare, and you have to think that it is not the likely scenario here. So, like I've been saying all week, don't fight it every other handle trying to short it because you think, don't like that word when we're talking about trading, because you think the market should be going down. That's not a strategy for trading. It's really not. It sounds like it should be. I think the market should be going down. I'm going to short it. No. A lot of people thought that the market shouldn't do 1600, 1700, 1800, but here we are getting ready to do 1900. We are up. We have 7 green days in a row, but we're not overbought. We're not even stretched. We're only 23 handles above the 45-day pivot. And it would take another 25 handles to even stretch the market, and that's 25 handles straight up from here. So look for those morning dips to buy. It's morning dip and grind days. I think we're due for a red day, but I don't think that a red day is going to necessarily begin a downtrend. Yesterday was basically a red day until very, very late in the day. We were red all day. But the inability to break 65 gives the advantage to the bulls, and that advantage played out in Globex after the cash close. So be cautious trying to fight it. I think your best strategy is to look for a dip to buy. If 65 breaks down, then I'll start to change my mind. Maybe we'll go down and test middle band. But as of now, you're looking at shallow pullbacks and a march up to the upper band. Okay, everybody have a great day. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Come check out the website. Come check out the chat room. Come trade this grind with us. And I will be back. I won't be able to do an evening webcast tonight, but I'll be back tomorrow morning with a market webcast. Trade them well, everybody.